Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you the protein mixture I apply on my natural hair. Actually, this mixture was inspired by a YouTube friend here, Kenny Olakpade. Yes, I really love her hair. She has this beautiful natural hair and she takes care of it very well. So when I watched her protein treatment video, I really liked the ingredients she mixed together and I decided to give it a try myself. This protein treatment is supposed to make your hair grow stronger, healthier and longer. So guys, if you want to see how I mixed up these ingredients, do not go away, keep on watching. By the way, my hair has been shampooed and washed. It's for me to mix up the ingredients and apply it on it. So these are the ingredients I will be mixing together: castor oil, honey, this is extra virgin olive oil, this is plain yogurt, Greek yogurt to be precise, an egg. No, my hair is short, so some people use 2 for longer hair. I have very short hair, so I'm using an egg. Any conditioner you have can do, so I'm using the Garnier conditioner. So guys, let's see how I mix everything together.
They want to ginger me today, make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then, and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. In the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me.
Actually, the quantity depends on how long your hair is. I have short hair, so that's why I'm using 1 tablespoon for all.
When she dropping the low for
This is the mixture, and it's time to apply. Yeah, if you have longer hair, you can section your hair into 4 before applying, but as you all know, my hair is short, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it like that. Funny enough, it doesn't smell the egg because I actually don't like the smell of egg. Because of the other ingredients mixed with it, it doesn't smell. It is advisable not to cover it so that the egg doesn't feel like it will get cooked. So you apply it and leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I will be back when I wash it off, and I'm going to do the final rinse with my rice water. Yes, I'm still using my rice water. So rice water is very good for the hair, so I will do my final rinse with the rice water, and I'll come back after 20 minutes after I've washed it off with conditioner. So guys, I am back from washing my hair. I feel so good. Well, there was little or no shedding since my hair is very short, so what's there to shed? Just this tiny bit that came out of it. So guys, my hair feels really soft. Oh, I still have some stuff here. Okay, my hair feels really soft. I ended it with rice water rinse, so I'm feeling really good. Yeah, I'm going to round it up with my virgin hair fertilizer and castor oil. My virgin hair fertilizer. This hair must grow. And oh, I will be adding a bit of raw shea butter too to the mixture. Mix everything together. My edges, where it is advisable to do this protein hair treatment once every month, or if you're the type that is not chanced, you can do it once every 2 months. But as for me, I think I'll be doing it every month. Yeah, this hair has to grow strong and healthy. So guys, that is all for this video. Later on, when the hair is fully dried, I'll put it in protective style. Yes, I'll do cornrows for it. Yes guys, that is all for this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.